People app not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Almost every user has been to faced mail, calendar and people apps are not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and the Windows 10 and Windows 11 was announced earlier this year. Calendar, mail and people apps are only one of the widely used Windows Store apps in Windows 11 and Windows 10. The reason behind this particular issue is already clarified by Microsoft, and here are the fixes. The first workaround is press bin plus R shortcut key to open run command box, and here execute the command wsreact.exe to clear Windows Store caches. It will clear Windows Store caches and check people app working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open Windows settings. Here go to the section apps from the left menu bar. Here look for people app in search field and click on 3 horizontal dots, choose advanced options and scroll down, and you will find the option reset. If this people app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First you have to choose a repair button, and if your problem is still, then choose reset option. If this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will not be deleted. And finally, if both functions will not resolve your issue, open command prompt windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt windows execute the command to remove apps data completely from your Windows 11-10 system. Open Windows PowerShell, and in Windows PowerShell execute this command, and after executing this command, restart your Windows 11-10 system and install these apps, calendar, mail and people apps afresh in Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. That's all.